Welcome guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a crypto token on BaseChain. First, go here and click New File Name, and put your smart contract directly on it. After that, go to Solidity Compiler, compile your token. Select the version of the Solidity. Compile it, and done. Now go to Deploy, and it's the last step. Select your wallet account, and done. After that, import your token on your wallet. And here we go, that you have it. If you need the smart contract, hit me up on Telegram. My Telegram is down below. Or if you want to create a project also. Thanks. Subscribe. Again, if you want to make a project and make money, hit me up on Telegram. Trutuachard.